lollipop.
Cool.
It's lollipop basketball.
Can I see it? Cool. Is there a card in there too? What's on?
You can open it.
I'll open it.
There's something else.
What is it? Is it a card? It's a dinosaur. It says, Happy Valentine's Day to Aiden. Love Mommy and Daddy.
And that present.
Well, hold on. Did you see that there's this stuff too?
What is this?
Skittles.
What is this? Chocolate.
Chocolate.
The heart.
And it's a heart.
Heart box.
A heart box with chocolates in it. What's in here? Your big Valentine's Day present.
Here. And I'll open it for you.
Okay.
A boat.
Is that the boat you wanted?
This is the boat I wanted. And there's a pirate too.
There's pirates on it?
Short.
Can you show me?
This is that. This thing is the box.
It's what? Are you happy?
And open the box.
You want me to open it? Okay, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.